Most people think AI is just for writing emails or making funny pictures. They're wrong. Right now, behind closed doors, tools are being developed that will replace 40% of jobs within the next 24 months. If you aren't using these 5 specific tools, you're not just falling behind, you're becoming obsolete. The great AI awakening of 2024 was just the beginning. 2025 and 2026 is when the hammer drops. We aren't just talking about chatbots anymore. We're talking about agentic AI, systems that don't just talk, but actually act. They can book your flights, manage your business, and write entire software architectures in seconds. The question isn't whether AI is coming for your job. The question is, are you the one controlling the AI? Or is the AI the one replacing you? Today, we're looking at the tech they don't want you to see. These are the tools that the top 1% are already using to automate their wealth while the rest of the world sleeps. Welcome to Bawasoft Tech. If you want to survive the next 24 months, pay very close attention to number 1 on our list. We aren't just looking at software. We are looking at the end of the traditional career path as we know it. First on our list is a tool that is currently terrifying the world's most elite software engineers. It's called Cursor. While traditional developers are still typing line by line, Cursor is building entire software architectures in seconds. This isn't just a text editor, it's an agentic AI. It understands the context of 1 million lines of code simultaneously. It doesn't just suggest the next word, it fixes complex logic bugs before you even realize they exist. In Silicon Valley, they've started calling this vibe coding, where the human provides the vision and the AI handles the execution. Think about what this means. In the past, you needed a team of 10 developers and 6 months to launch a startup. Now, you need one person with a clear idea and Cursor. If your income depends on building websites, apps, or managing digital systems, and you aren't using this tool, you are working 10 times harder for 10 times less results. By 2026, the traditional junior developer role will no longer exist. It will be entirely replaced by one person who knows how to speak the language of AI. The barrier to entry for building a billion-dollar software company just hit 0. And the gatekeepers are officially gone. Number 2 is Kling AI. We used to think high-end video production required a Hollywood budget, expensive cameras, and a crew of 50 people. Kling AI just proved us wrong. With a single text prompt, this tool can generate cinematic, physics-defying 1080p video clips that are indistinguishable from reality. We are entering the era of the one-man movie studio. This technology is systematically dismantling the traditional stock footage and advertising industries. For us at Bawasoft Tech, this is the ultimate weapon for YouTube automation. It allows you to create high-engagement visual content without ever picking up a camera or hiring a videographer. But the implications go deeper. Real estate, education, and marketing are all being transformed. If you are a creator or a marketer, you are either using Kling to scale your content, or you're watching your audience migrate to someone who is. The era of perfect video being expensive is over. Now the only limit is your imagination and how well you can write a prompt. Number 3 is the tool that is officially ending the 25-year reign of Google search, Perplexity AI. When you search on Google, you get 10 blue links and a page full of ads. You have to click, scroll, and hope you find what you need. When you search on Perplexity, you get the answer. Perplexity scans the live internet, reads multiple sources, and summarizes the truth with citations in real time. It's not just a search engine, it's a research god. In a world where information is moving at light speed, waiting for a web page to load is a death sentence for your productivity. If your job involves market research, strategy, or even just staying informed, and you're still clicking through page 2 of Google, you are wasting hours of your life every single day. Perplexity allows you to bypass the noise and get straight to the signal. It transforms your phone into the most powerful research assistant in history. By 2026, the way we consume information will be entirely AI-driven, and Google's ad-based model will be a relic of the past. Number 4 is HeyGen, the tool that makes being on camera a choice rather than a requirement. Using advanced neural networks, HeyGen can create a photorealistic avatar that speaks any language in your exact voice and lip movements. This is the end of the traditional spokesperson and the rise of the digital twin. Companies are already firing expensive actors and using HeyGen avatars that work 24/7 without a salary or a break. And finally, number 5. Project Strawberry from OpenAI and Elon Musk's xAI Colossus. These aren't just tools, they are the engines of the autonomous enterprise. We are talking about AI models that can reason, plan, and execute multi-step business goals with zero human intervention. The world is splitting into two groups, those who use AI to build empires and those who are replaced by them. At Bawasoft Tech, we choose to lead. We track these changes so you can stay ahead of the curve. The wealth gap is about to become a knowledge gap. If you're ready to master the future, hit the subscribe button, join our community, and tell me in the comments, which tool are you going to master first? I'm Bawasoft, and the future is yours for the taking. I'll see you in the next one.